As cold temperatures set in, do you know that the humidity in our homes can drop as low as 10%? Well, that is drier than the Sahara Desert. And it can lead to dry skin and nose and throat irritation. It can also lead to your plants and furniture drying out and getting damaged. Well, I have one perfect solution for all these problems. Introducing the lifelong humidifier. Just simply add water inside the tube. Make sure that there is no water entering the steam dispenser tube. And close the lid. Press the button and wait for a few seconds before the steam starts rushing out of it. This humidifier has a 3.5 liter tank that helps you enjoy fresh mist for up to 30 hours. It has 3 levels of mist: low, medium and high. And you can choose these for your office, living room or your bedroom. The humidifier has a time setting function. You can also choose from 4 options by simply clicking the button. It has an integrated aromatherapy box that allows you to utilize the soothing scent of essential oils in your home. And now long press the timer button and choose from the 7 colored lights. The humidifier shuts off automatically when it runs out of water. Also, recent studies suggest that the use of humidifiers may play a very important role in reducing the survival rate of various kinds of flu viruses. Lifelong room humidifiers help you breathe better, giving you the comfortable life that you deserve.